You are the true friend and true. Bandhu means friend, and there's no greater friend than a lover. So the gopis are saying, you're the Bandhu Atma, which means you're the lover of all Atmas. You're the lover of all living entities. Krishna loves every living entity. We were raised that way as Christians, Catholics. God is love. You ever heard that? Must have heard it a few times. God is love, and he loves all his living entities. It's so beautiful. I mean, the Govinda Lilamrita and other subsequent books, Bhavanamrita, are so personal and so revealing about the nature and mind of Krishna. When he comes out and Krishna enters the forest in the morning, and the Gocharan Leela, 9 o'clock in the morning or so, he speaks to all the living entities. All birds, are you happy? Are you well fed? You don't seem to be singing. Is it too hot to sing? And he speaks to the grass. Oh, grass, oh, trees. Oh, trees, I see you're bending down. I see you, oh, trees, I see you bending down with your ripened fruits and flowers. Are you feeling great ecstasy in your heart? Oh, Yamuna, you're flowing so peacefully and making such sweet sound, gurgling sounds as you pass over the rocks by the shoreline. You're such a hurry. Are you rushing to meet your husband, the ocean? The husband of the river is the ocean. So he speaks to the living entities and he cares for them. This is Krishna. So much caring and so individual. So this is how Krishna lived in Vrindavan. This is how he understood all living entities. Everything is the same today. There's grass in Vrindavan and trees and flowers, but the only thing is missing is Krishna. There's no Prakat Leela. But the devotees, like the gopis, they're with Krishna, so Krishna is present, and they're fully in Krishna consciousness. So we, as Gopi Anugata, we're following the footsteps of the gopis and aspiring to love and serve Radha and Krishna. Now we're living in Vrindavan, so everything's the same, but Krishna is not visible. But we should have the Krishna consciousness of the gopis. So we should interact like the gopis, and they also speak to the living entities, and like Krishna. So we're living with all great devotees.